It's time for Munchiefaces! Yay! What are you always doing with that midriff, girl? It is a special Christmas episode of Munchiefaces because we have received a delightful gift.
Christmas tree!
Yeah, oh, okay. We got a treat-filled box. There are so many things to eat in this box.
Everything!
There's candies, there's cookies, there's cheeses, there's cakes, there's sausages, there's
Santa Claus!
There's a chocolate Santa Claus. Katie and Charlotte are very excited about. We've got a coffee, which I'm just gonna take this. What do we want to try first?
Yeah!
Okay, M&M's, really? I mean, you've had so many M&M's in your lifetime, but okay. Go ahead, you want to have an M&M?
No.
Really? Why? Sorry about the peer pressure. I just couldn't understand why. A lot of cool things here. Yes, what would you like to choose? Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, it's a solid chocolate. Go ahead. Yeah, it's a little hard. Yeah, how is it? Yeah, that's tasty chocolate, actually. I would like to try a sausage. Ooh, here's a smoked flavored one. Wait a minute. I was wrong. This is not a sausage. It's a cheese shaped like a sausage. Can we have crackers?
Please.
Our producer's getting us crackers.
Which is Daddy.
Ooh, it smells really good. Ooh, that is really good.
Yes, so good.
All right, put that one down so we can try other stuff too. Here, would you like to try a little bit of cheese? What do you think, Charlie? All right, winner. We gotta find one that's actually a sausage. Okay, this one's a sausage.
Wait.
Garlic summer sausage.
What about this one?
That's the one we just tried. That's the one that looks like a sausage, but it's a cheese. So while I'm opening this, so what are you guys hoping to get under the tree for Christmas this year?
A dollhouse with a doll!
A dollhouse with a doll. So sensible, because what's the fun of a dollhouse with no doll? Yes, what would you like to see under the tree this year?
What? Snowflakes.
That is the cutest and purest thing I've ever heard. Well, I don't control the weather, so I can't make any promises. Oh, that's a good sausage. Who would like to choose? I think, Katie, it's your turn to choose next. What would you like to choose? Ooh, I was hoping Really? Oh, I got excited.
I changed my mind about this, now I want this.
Okay, here we go. You want me to break the chocolate apart?
Yes, so we can all have it.
So, that's great, but may I give you a piece of advice? The most fun way to eat a chocolate animal or person or anything is to bite something. Like bite his head off or something.
I bite the shoe!
Was it good? This is a plain sausage. Would you like to try this one, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You really like your sausages. Oh, you ate his whole arm off. Good for you. All right, sausage. Sausage.
I'm gonna say the whole thing.
Did you like it?
Nom nom.
Would you like a cookie?
Good.
I know, they look really good. Cookie? It's a really good cookie. Creme de menthe torte. Ooh. And look, it looks like a little wreath. Ooh, look at this. Look at that! It's got layers. This is the most adorable tiny little layer cake. Would you like to try some layer cake?
This tastes like toothpaste.
It's because it's minty. Okay, well if you don't like it, you don't have to eat it. Charlie doesn't use minty toothpaste yet, so he's still good. Okay.
I have some more M&Ms.
We have so many other things to try though.
Because I need to get that thing out of my mouth because it's still...
So you need to remove the mint taste from your palate with M&Ms. That is a very well developed argument for a 5-year-old. Okay, here's a piece of Colby. Colby. You could try it with a cracker too if you want. You put the cheese on top of the cracker.
A cheese cracker?
Oh yeah, that's good. This is a port wine cheese. This is one of the things that I remember best from my childhood. I love this cheese. It is so good to give it a try. Ew, hold it. No? You're crazy. What else do you want to try? We've got this stripy cake.
Stripy cake.
You want to try the stripy cake?
Oh wait, I changed my mind.
Ooh, these are called Christmas Mellow Creams.
Huh?
Actually, it's like candy corn. Except it's shaped like Christmas trees. This was very smart on the candy corn maker's part. Stretch that revenue into another season. We have, let's see, whoa, smoked bacon cheese spread? Do you need to go potty?
No. I don't want to try it.
Oh, you don't want to try the smoked? What is it about bacon that you don't want to try? All the kids of the world are looking up to you as someone who tries everything. Little miss, can I have more octopus?
I want to try it.
Charlie likes the bacon cheese. Mommy does too. There you go. Smell it. It's a no, I guess. We have stripy cake. We have cheddar to try. Oh, there's a Swiss and bacon. Oh my God, this thing just keeps on going. Peppermint tort. You ate this much of it and then decided you didn't like it?
Wait up.
What? Oh, that's a hard candy. We should probably have that.
No, it's like the strawberry wrap.
Yes. It's made to look like a strawberry, but it is a hard candy. Oh. This is another little layer cake and it's got sprinkles. I don't know if you can see that. In the center.
This smells minty too.
Well, it's peppermint. So it's a kind of mint, but it's a little different. I've got the Swiss and bacon. Oh, that smells so good. You want to try some of this Swiss? Well, you've got cake, huh? Oh my God, the Swiss and bacon cheese is even better than the other one. What would you like next? Oh, the gumdrops. Go ahead, try a gumdrop. Is it minty?
It smells like my toothpaste.
It is minty. I will say that. It is minty. Here, we'll put it on the plate. The red one tastes the same, babe. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Look, there's 4 tiny little cakes.
Out the red hand. I'm going to put my hand on. Who would like these chocolates?
There you go. Okay, I think we could just dispense with that for now. Do you want this? Here you go. Well, why don't you bite into it and tell us what's inside? I think it's going to be cake. Yeah, that looks nice. How about you, Charlie? You're hogging the box. Which one do you want? Wow, this is an agonizing decision for Charlie. Alright, I will take this green one.
This one?
Mine was like a little lemon layer cake. Oh. That was very filling and very decadent. Thank you to Abuela for giving us that delightful mix of Christmas treats, which we will continue to enjoy for the next few weeks or days, depending on the kind of savages that we are. As usual, make sure you're following us on Instagram for extra in-between video updates, and like and subscribe if you want to give us your support. And let us know in the comments if you enjoyed our video and you want to send us any messages. We also wanted to extend very warm Christmas wishes to all of you who celebrate Christmas. We hope that you enjoy and that Santa brings you everything that you are hoping for. For those of you who celebrate something else, we hope that you enjoy what you're celebrating with your family, and we hope that you have a great holiday season.
Hooray!
Bye, everybody!
Bye.